All right, we are here today with Jason Park and Carlos Lastra for a You Make It, We Skate It war. We have 2 boxes that I hand selected, and they're gonna go at it today. It's gonna be fun.
It's funny because every time I come in here, I never know what I'm gonna get into.
He never knows.
He just gave me this look when I walked in, like.
I was
ready?
just like, oh yeah,
Ready?
you're doing this. You can open yours up.
I would love to.
I think it's already open.
It is.
It's gone through some stuff.
Okay,
Look at this. Look at this. This is the one I specifically selected for Carlos, knowing that he would hate me for it, but I would love it. So you're sadly gonna have to set this one up.
Interesting. Okay.
Wow.
Look at this material right here. Interesting. Look at that concave.
Was there a note?
Yes.
There's no concave.
There's like 0 concave. It's beautiful.
No note that I can see.
Oh!
There's a note.
Hey! We got a note! Hey Braille, this is Chris from Nelson, BC, Canada. Hope you guys destroy this, then I can send the next prototype. Thanks to our local shop, Ripping Giraffe.
That's a cool name.
That is a very nice name.
Yeah.
Thanks, from Crispy.
Sounds like it's hard to swallow. Giraffe, get it? Bong nest.
Ripping Giraffe.
Ripping giraffes.
I love Carlos's puns because
they don't
they
don't
always
make
just
any
fall
sense.
that short from making any sense whatsoever. So there's no note in yours?
No, that's it.
All right, well, I'm just gonna assume that this is the note right here, and it says, good luck from Adam and Nathan. So Adam and Nathan, and also Crispy, thank you for sending in these rad boards. We are gonna put these guys to the test. Don't do anything on it yet.
Cheater.
No, hey.
Cheater.
Don't even step on it. I will disqualify you. Watch this, Carlos. Perfect.
Office chairs. I want to do my work after this.
I mean, at least that was actually about the board in a way.
Honestly, I just got here. Give me some time.
Dude,
It's getting there.
it's looking nice. It almost looks as nice as you.
Oh my God, Gabe, I'm blushing. Stop.
I don't like the way that looks.
This is how you mall grab. I hope these wheels don't break like immediately.
And then this side. Yeah, I really made very little progress.
Let's just take a look at both of your obstacles. I mean, what are your initial opinions?
Neither of them looks that bad. We'll be able to do tricks on
I
them.
wanted to do that.
Yeah, like the goal is to at least be able to do some kind of tricks on it.
You can like push this in with your fingers. Look at that.
Oh my god.
Yeah, you can literally just push it
Get
in.
in there.
This is crazy, yeah.
Oh, Mario.
This is not too bad. I like it.
Let's have you try Carlos's.
Oh my God.
You can't skate this, dude. Oh, there you go.
Oh my God.
Watch out, that thing's dangerous, dude. Carlos, you've skated a lot of boards, okay? You're an advanced weird board skater.
He's an advanced Brailleist.
Yeah, he's an advanced Brailleist. You're brand new, so I'm giving you like a good warm up,
Thank
you know?
you, yeah, very sweet of you.
They did start me off with a foam board last year too, so.
The foam board is level 1, and then you start going up and up.
So it's my firsties. All right, that's fair.
We'll start with the flat ground game of skate. Let's do just a flat ground game of skate out at first. If the boards survive, then, I mean, I guess we can just keep skating it and see what happens. So Rochambeau, let's get it.
Paper. Rock. Yeah.
I should have listened to him.
He got you.
Which side to pop off of? I guess this. Oh my gosh.
Yes, Carlos. Yes, Carlos.
Let's try this.
All
right.
We're gonna count that. I cannot believe you did
I
that.
can't
Are you
believe
kidding me?
Well, we'll see, but I think he got me. Maybe. Oh! I knew it was gonna break. Oh no.
No.
Whatever, it's still.
Hey, don't worry, man. Hey, bro. Foamies for life, dude.
Yeah,
Got
foamies.
you.
All right, I got S.
What in the world? Dude, it looks so funny. Look at that. Oh, count it. Oh. You know, if you think about it, you do like 5 different shove-its and he's out.
That's true.
I kind of cheat on this one. Sorry.
Whoa! Oh! The foam hits the ground. Oh no. What's going on here? Oh.
I can't believe the wheels are not breaking off right now.
Fakey shove? Is that too stupid?
No, that's cool.
I hate when people play like that. But whatever, you know, it's broken. Oh no.
Perfectly done.
All right.
Perfect.
What?
It is literally so
look,
broken.
I hit the camera. It's actually broken in half all the way.
I think we have to count that.
Oh, the hardware's coming out. Oh, the truck's fully in there. That's why it was scraping. The wheel is just touching that thing because the trucks just went in it. Oh my God, everything's hitting everything. Wow. Look at me now, Dad. I feel so bad for Carlos.
Dude.
Oh! It almost worked.
Wow. That counts fully.
All right.
If you land this, I will buy you whatever lunch you want.
Oh no!
Oh, you had it.
Okay, so I figure if I do that first, jump on it, it stays. I tried.
I'm gonna give you A. You did try.
I did try.
Admirable attempt.
Thanks for giving him that board, Gob. Look how bent it is. Okay, hold on. That's fully in there. The wheel is just digging in. Oh! Ah! I don't know about that one. Oh! Fakey big spin?
Oh, you literally hear it just breaking.
It's crazy. Okay, I got it though. Okay, that'll work at least.
I think that counts.
Should I redo it?
Yeah,
Okay.
I count that fully.
Sure.
All right, Carlos, you got this. Oh, wow.
Right here. Oh my gosh. Right here.
I should have known this would happen.
No, it's perfect. Oh, kind of.
Wow. Wow. Well done.
He's figured out the moving technique, how to keep going and keep his momentum.
He slowly figured out how to move, and you were slowly losing the ability to move.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh! That was majestic, can I just say? That was dirty. Oh no!
Whoopsie Goldberg. That's fine. It's a skateboard.
Every trick on this is impossible, dude.
Oh!
Was that
Wow.
Does that count?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Perfect. I think that was your best trick yet. It's like, who can land that last trick first?
Just one trick. That's all I need.
You dirty.
Literally, this is all I got.
Oh! Wow.
I tried to pop it. Should I do it again?
I think that was fine. If Carlos says it's okay, I say it's okay. I don't even know what just happened.
Oh yeah.
Maybe not. All right.
So close.
No!
Break?
Oh no.
So roll without the wheel.
Well, it does to me.
Whoa. We might have some technical difficulties. This is not good.
Stationary game
Even
of skate.
stationary is impossible. Oh! I mean, that thing is so broken, I'm afraid you can even roll away on it.
Look at that hardware.
Oh.
I like how you put the wheel back on, like it's gonna make a difference, but maybe it will.
I don't know, skaters have the weirdest placebos, you know?
How are you gonna go down the 5 on that?
I don't know. How about this, Jason? I'll like stand on it, and you kind of bungee me into it.
Yes. Welcome to the first tray flip on any weird board you've ever skated.
Feels good.
Oh! Let's go push Carlos down the 5 stair.
I would love to.
So what's happening now is that Carlos is gonna have the wheel on there, and Jason is gonna push him as hard as he can, and he's gonna fly down the 5 stair. Probably eat it. Fully just eat it, but it'll be funny. Are you sure about this?
No.
Going? Yeah, there you go.
Okay.
Here we go, here we go. Get there!
I think you could like grab my hand and pull me in, you know?
Oh my god!
Might as well just go put regular trucks on this one. Do a couple tricks down the 5.
What do you think? You having a good time?
Yeah, I love this. This board was so good for the first couple of tricks. Now not so much, but at first it was awesome.
What trucks are these?
I don't know. Watch me break it like right off the back, dude.
That's nice. Good job. Oh!
Maybe it'll work.
I'll be the proudest dad in the world.
My God, Dad! Dad, I don't want to go to my room.
That's it.
Oh!
Look at me now, Dad. Look at me now, Dad.
You did good, son. Oh! Let's just see that D-lam right there. Let me see that.
Oh!
He's like, ah! Ah! I bet you I don't will bite on it though.
Oh no, you do. Whoa! Welcome to the family.
Oh my gosh.
Busted the tray, fortunately.
What Carlos said, what Gabe thought, what I felt.
All right, Jason, your first weird board, how'd it feel?
Not bad. Early on, it felt a little better than the after early on.
Carlos, how was your experience?
Same sweater, different shirt.
The analogies he comes
That's
up
a
with,
good
I
one though.
swear.
That's actually a good one. Meaning same thing, different day.
Okay. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. And we have a Braille House party on April 7th. It is sort of, kind of, almost for my birthday. And Andy Schrock and Brian Ames will be there at that party. So you should come and buy a ticket on brailleskateboarding.com and hang out with us. Thank you, Jason.
Oh, my pleasure.
Thank you, Carlos.
Always.
You can follow these guys on Instagram. The links will be in the description below. And we will see you next time.
Like, subscribe, comment, you know, all that good
I
stuff.
said that
You
already.
did
so-
already, man.